And finally, we've come to our last table together. We're not going to be doing number 4 this time, so you can go ahead and cross that out with your pencil. And we're going to continue looking at this one. So again, I noticed that we have our rule as stated here at the top. This time, we have a multiplicative relationship. Multiplicative means that we're going to either use multiplying or dividing to be able to solve for the x or y value. When I look at this relationship, it means that I'm going to take my x value and multiply it by 4 to get my y value, or I would need to take my y value and divide it by 4 to get my x value. I'm going to do the first 2 with you, and you're going to do the other 2 by yourself, and then check yourself. So when I look at the number 8, and I think about getting the y value, I need to multiply the number 8 by 4. What is 8 times 4? That's right, it's 32. When I have the number 40, and I need to think about getting my y value, I'm going to take the number 40 and divide it by 4. I might even need to write it out like this. Some boys and girls can see information more easily when it's written out like this. And really, this is a turnaround fact. How many groups of 4 will give you 40? That's right, 10. 10 is your x value. So at this time, what I'd like you to do is pause the video and see if you can find your y value for 15 and your x value for 96. Pause the video, solve for both, and then check your answers. When you solve for 15, you should have been multiplying 15 times 4. 15 times 4 is going to give you an answer of 60. So your y value here is 60. When we solve for 96, we want to take 96 and divide it by 4. And we want to know what is that x value. If you don't know this in your head, you can certainly build you a house and divide it out long division style. You get 2 groups of 4 will give you 8 with 1 left over. Bring down your 6. How many groups of 4 will give you 16? That would be 4. 4 groups of 4 is 16. So our x value here is the number 24. If you did not get those answers, at this time, what I'd like you to do is correct your paper so that your models are all correct.